What if I told you your Samsung Galaxy can do things that most people literally have no idea exist? Not just small hidden settings, I'm talking about features that can completely change how you text, edit videos, browse the internet, and even save you time every single day. So imagine turning a normal video into a cinematic slow motion after recording, removing background noise like a pro editor, or having AI literally understand what's on your screen and help you instantly. So these aren't gimmicks, these are real powerful tools already sitting inside your phone right now. So before we jump in, let's set a challenge. Can we hit 350 likes on this video? So the more likes we get, the more hidden features I'll reveal in future videos. So if you find this useful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I genuinely appreciate your support. Now let's get into it. So feature number one is where you can create stickers on your Samsung Galaxy device. So picture this, you're in a group chat with your friends or someone sends a basic laughing emoji. So instead of replying the same way, you scroll into your gallery, you find a hilarious photo of your friend pulling a weird face, you long press it and instantly turn it into a sticker. Now instead of generic reactions, your chats are filled with personalized jokes, reactions, and moments that actually mean something to your group. So over time, you build your own collection of inside jokes that no one else has access to. So this makes your conversation way more fun and engaging. So Samsung Galaxy device allows you to create stickers directly from your photo using built-in AI. So when you long press on a subject, the phone intelligently detects the person or object and removes the background automatically, just like this. So here I have this dog, so I can go ahead and long press on it. It'll basically detect the person here or detect the subject. And then I can tap on save as sticker and then go ahead and choose my sticker style. So I'll just go ahead and choose the outline, press done. Now if I press home, I'll go ahead and open up my message. I can tap on the text message here, tap on stickers, and then go ahead and tap on the sticker which I've created and go ahead and use it in my messaging app. You can then save that cutout as a sticker and use it across messaging apps that support stickers. So the process is instant, highly accurate, and doesn't require any third-party apps, editing skills, or manual cropping. Now, if you're not into that, you can go ahead and tap on the text message here. This will open up your keyboard. Go ahead and tap on stickers, then tap on this Galaxy AI button here, and then tap on the plus sign. Now here you can go ahead and create your very own stickers. So here I'll just go ahead and create a sticker. Create me a Eggman sticker with a knife on his head. Now here you can go ahead and choose doodle, illustration, 3D emoji, a retro logo, and all of these different styles of emojis. So we'll go ahead and choose an anime one. Let's go ahead and choose a cartoon one actually, and we'll tap on generate. I think it's basically detected a knife, so it basically classes as inappropriate. So create me an Eggman with a pot on his head. And there we go. So now here we can go ahead and tap on done and then go ahead and use that sticker. So that sticker is basically saved into your sticker gallery as well. So as you can see, you can stand out in conversations with completely unique reactions. This saves time by skipping third-party editing apps, and this turns everyday photos into fun and reusable content. This not only can be used in Samsung Message or Google Message, it can be used in WhatsApp as well. So here in WhatsApp, I can go ahead and open up the keyboard, then tap on emoji icon here, then tap on the sticker icon, and here I'll find all my stickers which I've created with Galaxy AI. Now, feature number two is where you can create slow motion from a recorded video. So let's say you recorded a moment, maybe someone jumping in a pool, football kick, or something funny happening unexpectedly. At the time, you didn't think to switch to slow motion mode. Normally that means the moment is gone forever. But instead, you open your gallery and you can go ahead and edit that video and apply slow motion exactly where you want it. Suddenly, that simple clip turns into something dramatic, detailed, and way more engaging to watch. So Samsung Gallery includes an AI-powered slow motion feature that works even on regular videos. So it generates additional frames to smooth out motion, allowing you to slow down specific sections without the video looking choppy. So here we can go ahead and open up gallery. We can go ahead and open up anything that you've recorded from your camera or anything you've downloaded as well. Now you have control over where the slow motion starts and ends. So this basically gives you the flexibility to highlight key moments without affecting the entire clip. So here, if I go ahead and press play, and now let's say I want to go ahead and start slow motion. So I can go ahead and long press on it, and this will start the slow motion. Keep pressing it. And then now I can go ahead and leave it once I'm done. And then here at the top, we have the save slow motion. So we can go ahead and tap on this. This will save that slow motion clip. And then we can go ahead and watch this. So this is the slow motion clip. So this way you never miss a cinematic moment again. You can create professional looking edits instantly, and you can add dramatic impact to everyday clips. Now, feature number 3 is where you can turn on AI Select. So you're scrolling through social media or a website and you come across something useful. Maybe a text you want to copy, a product you want to search, or a clip you want to save. So normally you would take a screenshot, crop it, switch apps, and manually search. Instead, you can go ahead and activate AI Select, highlight the exact area on your screen, and your phone instantly suggests actions like copying text, searching online, or extracting information. So AI Select is a smart selection tool powered by Galaxy AI. So it allows you to highlight any part of your screen, text, images, or videos, and then analyzes that selection to suggest relevant actions. It's essentially an upgraded version of Smart Select, but with intelligence behind it. So instead of just capturing content, it understands what you selected and helps you act on it immediately. So let me show you how to turn on Smart Select or your AI Select. So I have this Samsung S26 Ultra. So to turn on Smart Select or AI Select, just go ahead and long press on this toolbar here at the edge panel, and that will enable AI Select. Now, the other way of starting AI Select is by opening your edge panel, then tapping on AI Select, and that will open up your AI Select. Now, let me show you different functions of AI Select. So first, with text, we can go ahead and turn on AI Select. And with AI Select, you can basically copy text using that. So I've selected a text here. So I can go ahead and use AI Select to copy text. I can use Writing Assist. I can go ahead and pin it, copy it, or share it. Now with images, you can basically do many things as well. So say for example, go ahead and open up AI Select. Select an image like this. So here you can go ahead and use Creative Studio. And using that image, you can basically create anything you like. So using that image, it'll basically create me an invitation to a birthday party. And there you go. Now here you can go ahead and use Photo Assist as well. So you can go ahead and edit this photo and save it to your library. Now with AI Select, you can also set it as a wallpaper. You can create a GIF out of it. You can crop it, pin it, copy, share, or download that image. So as you can see, this AI Select is really powerful. Now, another thing which you can do with AI Select is you can basically create GIFs out of it. Now here I can go ahead and use AI Select on a video as well. So here I have a TikTok video which is playing. I can go ahead and open up AI Select, go ahead and select that whole video. And here I can go ahead and create GIFs. So if I go ahead and tap on Create GIF, this will now let me play that video in the background. I can go ahead and record a GIF and create a GIF out of that video. So I can create a 30-second GIF using that video. So if I press stop, it'll basically show me a preview of what I have created. I can go and press download, and that'll be saved into my gallery. Now, another thing with AI Select, it basically recognizes phone number, email addresses, dates, and it basically suggests you actions. So here I have a phone number. I'll go ahead and open up AI Select, circle it. And as you can see, it's basically recognized it as a phone number. So it's giving me this option to call that number, or I can go ahead and visit the link, as part of it has also circled the link. So here I can go ahead and use that button to visit the link. Another option is also a date. So say for example, I have a date here. I can go ahead and use AI Select. And as you can see, it recognizes that date. I can tap on this and I can go ahead and add events to my calendar with that particular information. So this basically speeds up your everyday task dramatically. It reduces effort by automating actions, and it makes your phone feel smarter and more intuitive. Now, feature number 4 is where you can summarize articles on your Samsung Galaxy device. So you open a long article on Samsung Internet, maybe for school, work, or just something you're interested in, but it's thousands of words long. You don't have time to read everything, so you either skim through it or leave it entirely. So as you can see, I'm researching about brain tumor symptoms, and I want to go ahead and find out more about this. So Samsung Galaxy AI can analyze written content on your web pages and generate concise summaries. So it identifies the most important information and removes unnecessary details, giving you a clear overview of the topic. So this is especially useful for research, studying, or staying informed without spending too much time reading. So here I can go ahead and open up Galaxy AI. So I can tap on the three dots, scroll down, and find Browsing Assist. Now from here, I can go ahead and summarize this. I can go ahead and read highlights aloud. So I'll go ahead and tap on Summarize. And now here, this will basically give me a summary of this article. If I tap on this icon here, this will give me a standard version and a detailed version. So detailed version will have more information on it. Now, once I'm happy, I can go ahead and copy this and go ahead and copy it into my notes, or go ahead and copy this into my email and keep it for research. So as you can see, this basically saves time by getting key points instantly. This improves your productivity when researching or studying, and you avoid information overload from long content. Now, feature number 5 is where you can open links in split screen. Again, this is with Samsung Internet. So imagine you're comparing two phones, checking price, or reading multiple articles. So normally you would have to keep switching between tabs, trying to remember details from each page. So instead you open one link in split screen, and now both pages are visible at the same time. So you can scroll, compare, and read without constantly switching back and forth. So Samsung Internet Browser includes a built-in feature that allows you to open links in split screen view. So by long pressing a link, you can launch it alongside your current page. So this creates a multitasking setup where both pieces of content are visible, improving efficiency and making comparisons much easier. So here as an example, I'm researching brain tumor. So if I go ahead and scroll down, I've got two websites here. One's from NHS and one's from Mayo Clinic. Now let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and open a brain tumor, but I also want to open up something from the Mayo Clinic. So I can go ahead and long press one of the link here, go ahead and drag it to the top left. And this will allow me to open this in split screen mode. As you can see, if I go ahead and leave this will open it in split screen mode. If I go ahead and drag it to the bottom left, this will let me open it at the bottom here. Or if I bring it to the center, this will open it in pop-up view. I'll go ahead and open this in split screen view at the top. So now at the top here, I have that link open. If I go ahead and scroll down and find brain tumor, I can open my second link, which is from NHS at the bottom here. So I can now go ahead and start comparing these both articles and see both of them are saying the same thing or not. So this basically boosts your multitasking efficiency. You can compare information side by side easily, and this reduces the time wasted switching between tabs. Now, feature number 6 is where you can clip images from a video in gallery. So you're watching a video you recorded, maybe from a trip, an event, or a random moment, or something you downloaded, and you notice the perfect frame. So this could be a smile, a pose, or something funny. So instead of taking a blurry screenshot, you pause the video and extract that exact frame as clean and high quality image. So Samsung Gallery allows you to capture still images directly from videos. So this ensures you get the highest possible quality from the original footage. So you can scroll frame by frame by finding the perfect moment and then save it instantly as a photo without losing details or clarity. So here, if I go ahead and open up Gallery, I'll go ahead and open up a video. So for example, this person here who's jumping. So I want to go ahead and clip the image of this person while jumping in midair. So I'll go ahead and scrub through this frame by frame and find the perfect moment. So let's say, for example, this one here. Now I can go ahead and long press on the person's body here, and this will basically clip the subject. Now I can go ahead and save this as a sticker, or I could go ahead and long press on it and save as an image. So as you can see, this basically captures a perfect moment without blur. It maintains high image quality, and it turns your video into shareable photos instantly. Now, feature number 7 is your audio eraser on existing videos. So you record a great video like this, maybe outdoor or a busy place. But when you play it back, there is wind noise, background chatter, and a traffic sound, which is ruining the audio. So instead of deleting the clip, you use audio eraser to clean it up. So you can remove unwanted noise and keep the important sounds clear. So audio eraser uses AI to analyze the audio in your videos and separate different sound elements, so it can reduce or remove unwanted background noise while preserving voices or key audio. So this allows you to improve sound quality without needing advanced editing software. So here I have a video here, and I don't like the sound quality in this. So I can go ahead and tap on edit, and then go ahead and use the sound icon here, and I can use audio eraser. So I can go ahead and tap on that, So this will eliminate distracting noise in videos by adjusting the volume of voices, wind, and other sounds. So we'll press OK. And now it's basically detected voices, detected music, detected crowd, and it's detected the noise. So if you go ahead and tap on auto, this will basically automatically adjust everything for you. Or if you want, you can go ahead and adjust this by yourself. Go ahead and preview it and make sure you're happy with it. Now, once you're happy with that, press on Apply Edit and then tap on Save Copy. So now once you do that, you'll basically save a copy of that video with the audio eraser feature applied on it. So this basically improves audio quality instantly. It makes your video sound more professional and it saves clips that would otherwise be unusable. So those are your 7 powerful Samsung Galaxy features you should definitely start using today. Most people don't even know these exist, but now you do. And don't forget the challenge. Can we hit 350 likes on this video? Every like helps push this video out so more people can learn these features. Drop a comment with your favorite one and let me know what you want to see next. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.